Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making dark chocolate scones. I have 4 ounces of chocolate. I'm going to roughly chop it with my chef's knife. To the bowl of my food processor, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and half a cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to pulse this to mix. I'm going to add 1 stick of cold butter, which I've cubed. We'll pulse this until it has a sandy texture. I'm going to add our chopped chocolate. I'm just going to pulse this once or twice just to mix it. I have our chocolate, flour, and butter mixture. I'm going to spill it right onto my bench, make a well in the center. I have 2/3 of a cup of milk. To it, I'm going to add an egg and a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm going to pour it right into the well. And with my fork, I'm just going to mix it up. When it's just getting pasty and thick, I'm going to take my pastry scraper. I'm going to start folding the ingredients together. And with some floured hand, I'm just going to push it together into a square. And with my rolling pin, I'm going to just roll this out into rectangles. I'm going to fold the dough back on top of it and then roll it again. I'll do this 4 or 5 times. I'm going to now cut them with a round cutter. I have some melted butter. I'm going to brush the tops. I have some sugar, just dot the top with a little. And these are ready to bake. Our chocolate scones are just out of the oven. They've puffed up nicely. We'll let these cool. We'll serve them up. I didn't sprinkle all of my chocolate scones with sugar because I thought it might be nice to glaze them. I have a cup of powdered sugar, and to it I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a stir. You can always add a little more milk if we need. And then we can just take our scones and drizzle some right on top. I have a basket of our dark chocolate scones. Let's give one a taste. They're so tender and flaky, and the chocolatiness, wow, really, really delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make dark chocolate scones. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.